Please make more just like that.
Make more of your stuff that sounds, it sounds very chill, very mellow.
Like, ethereal.
You're not trying too hard.
What is up, YouTube? What's good? It's Zach here, and I'm back with another one. As you guys know, I've been on a little bit of a hot streak, bro. I've been uploading crazy consistently, and if you guys appreciate the consistency of these uploads, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up down below right now. Go ahead and pause the video. So go leave me a thumbs up right now down below. And I've been tweaking with the camera settings a little bit too, so let me know if you think this camera quality is a little bit better. I think it's a lot better, but shoot, y'all let me know in the comments down below. I'm not gonna hold you up for too long because you know that I hate rambling, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my daily routine that I do on my hair every single day to make sure that my locks are nice, strong, and healthy. Honestly speaking, this is a really good routine. I just started a few weeks ago and it's been working like magnificently. My locks have never felt as good as they do right now. But without any further ado, this week's Instagram shoutouts for the week are going to be up right here. And if you guys want to get an Instagram shout out, all you got to do is follow me on my Instagram, link in the description, and interact with me, like some pictures, follow me, DM me, comment, do something. And you will most likely get a shout out in the next video. But I've been talking for way too long already, so we're just going to jump right into this video, and let's go.
And I'm just trying to count up the cake. Just trying to scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie, man. I'm not trying to hold y'all up for too long. Y'all aren't trying to be here for too long. So we're really just gonna hop straight into the video right off the bat. The first thing that you're gonna need to know for this daily routine to be successful is you need to be taking a shower in the morning. I know some of y'all dirty. I know some of y'all don't be taking showers in the morning, which is okay. Some of y'all take showers at night, but bro, would you rather spray your head with the spray bottle or just jump in the shower? Personally, I'd rather get in the shower, but y'all let me know what y'all rather do down in the comments. Enough of that. Once you get your hair all wet, as y'all can see, I'm really in the bathroom with it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Yeah, I'm really in the bathroom with it. I just got out the shower a few minutes ago, put on this jacket because I know y'all didn't want to see my naked body on this camera. So once you have gotten that figured out and once you have wet your hair, the second thing that you're gonna need to do for this daily routine to be successful and for you to have strong and healthy locks is to oil your hair and scalp with the oil of your choosing. For today's video, I'm going to be using the classic olive oil. This is my favorite oil right now for no specific reason neither. I just like it. My hair's been feeling real good lately. I think it's been looking real good. I told y'all I'm semi-freeforming and it's coming along real great, to be honest. So I'm just gonna credit that to this olive oil mixed with tea tree oil too. I got a couple drops of that in the bottle. All I do really is just apply it to my hands. Not too much, you know, enough. And I put that all throughout my hair really. A lot of the time I'll also just get some on my fingertips and like massage my scalp with it, because that is another important part to having strong and healthy hair, is to make sure that you are stimulating your scalp regularly. Honestly, if you just never touch your head or do nothing, then how are you gonna, you know, expect your hair to grow if you just never mess with it, you know? You gotta moisturize your scalp if you want fast, healthy growing hair. After I apply it to my scalp, like I showed y'all, I just apply it to the lengths of my locks. And as y'all know, I bleach the tips, so I like to focus especially on the ends of them so that, you know, those tips stay healthy. Pause. Alright, as y'all can see, I just finished oiling my head. I think that should be sufficient enough for today. Next thing that I like to do, and I just started doing this is a new addition to my daily routine and products that I use. I started to use a leave-in conditioner because I was watching a lot of videos, doing a lot of research, and it turns out that oil is not, I repeat, oil is not enough to moisturize your hair. So I decided to add in a light oil-based leave-in conditioner, just because, you know, I don't like too too heavy stuff in my hair, because that's how buildup gets started, and we don't want those problems over here. So I went and picked up this curls leave-in conditioner from my favorite store, aka my sister's cabinet, and it's really just a daily leave-in. It says second refresher, daily leave-in moisturizer formulated with pomegranate fruit extract, aloe vera juice, and jojoba oil. And all that stuff sounded pretty good to me. So this is what I'm using now. I'll just take a few squirts of this to the scalp. Pause once again. And then I'll put some more in my hand. And as y'all saw, I didn't put that much, there's not that much throughout my hair. So y'all don't be going crazy with this stuff neither. Because although it's not, I mean, you're gonna get buildup in your hair, but you know that the more product that you put in your hair, the higher chances that the buildup is gonna stick around and just be in your hair for longer. You feel me? So you just wanna make sure you're not putting too much or doing too much to your hair if you want your hair to be nice for a long period of time. Alright, I applied the leave-in conditioner to my scalp first, worked my way down to the ends of my locks, just because I feel like it's a stiff little style. I'm gonna have to rock this one day. If you have bleach on your hair, if you color your hair, you need to be specifically moisturizing the tips so that those dyed ends don't break off. Because you know how crunchy those tips can be sometimes. You know what I mean? Pause once again. Why I keep doing that? Hey, the final step that I usually do, let me get the spray bottle, is I get my handy spray bottle. It has cold water in it. Nothing but cold water in here. And I go one last time and I just spray it around my head. Just to have some more, you know, hydration and moisture added after the fact. And then I'm like massage that lightly and gently into my scalp. Alright y'all, now that I'm done with that, that was the final step of my daily hydration and hair strengthening routine. And honestly, I've been doing this every day for a couple weeks now, and my hair has never felt this good throughout my entire lock journey.
I hop in that bitty, you know that I kill it. I roll some steps, they ain't leaving no witness. 30 shots in this bitch and I better one jam. Hey, you told me, yo man, you a strip, you a rat. I don't trust what you say, you don't stand on your word. I don't speak what I see, never said what I heard. Remember them days we was kicking them doors. Never asked for nothing, got this shit on my own. Fuck it one time, I ain't.
What is up YouTube? It's Razak here, and I just got done editing the video, and I ran into the problem where I realized that I didn't record an outro for the video. So I'm just coming back to y'all to give y'all an outro to the video, and I've spent hours recording this video, bro. Like, I've been staring at this screen. I've been staring at this computer screen for hours trying to make this video nice. I threw a little bit of NWA in there, I know that, but tell me if y'all like that actually. And honestly speaking, bro, I just came on here to close off the video, you know, in a nice formal way. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified whenever I do upload. And that's honestly it for this video. I'm not trying to stretch it out for too long, but I will get my 10 minutes. Let's get that straight. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and shit.
You know what? I'm about to say it. Okay.
Wood like I'm Ed, Ed, and Eddie. My name in his mouth, turn his head to spaghetti. My piss on a hoe, boy, I feel like R. Kelly. Bang like a band, it's a whole lot of trumpets. It's Glock start a race to the way to be running. I should get paid by the way I be stunning. Don't open your legs, bitch, we is not fucking. If you want the beef, I wish you the best. This clip hold a 30, I call this whole step. A gun in the school, get under the desk. They hated me more, but they loving me less. I score on the path like I just made a play. My new bitch is foreign, she not from the States. I be in the field, I'm riding with apes. I'm risking it all, I'm not playing it safe. I be in the field, bitch, I'm riding with apes. I'm risking it all, I'm not playing it safe.
I be in the field, bitch, I'm riding with apes. I'm risking it all, I'm not playing it safe.